everybody, it's Julie. Welcome back to A Beautiful Horizon. Today we are talking about a grocery haul for van life. My husband and I are camping for a week in a van. We're going to travel around starting in Las Vegas to see some national parks. So I thought I'd share with you what we got. We're trying to get enough protein in, kind of have like somewhat clean ingredients, but we're camping, so it's kind of a mix of just whatever works. Okay, right now all we have is a 1-burner camping stove that we're working with, no oven, nothing else. We might make a fire at some point and do something like that, but that basically we're just working with a 1 stove burner. So for our coffee, I got some freeze-dried coffee that I brought with me. This is going to be our cream. I also brought stevia drops that are hazelnut flavored, that are delicious, that are from Amazon, that I can link. That works. Okay, and then for a dinner, we have some pre-cooked, or fresh, I guess you would call it, 5-cheese tortellini with Alfredo sauce, some salami, and I got tortillas and cheese. So those tortillas can be for breakfast tortillas or for like lunch. And then we've got steaks for one night. We don't have steak a lot, so this is gonna be amazing. Excited about that. And then we have some breakfast sausage to make with the tortillas with eggs and cheese. And then we have eggs. And that's everything that's going in the fridge because it's small. So everything else is shelf stable. For shelf stable items, we have a couple of apples. I think these are Honeycrisp. And then a couple of bananas. I'm gonna put those in the sink. And then we have some snacks. We have chopsticks, beef chopsticks. We often get turkey, but beef came in a pack, so we got that. And we have turkey crisps. And then we have pretzel crisps with everything seasoning on them because we love everything seasoning. I also got some almond flour crackers. We're gonna be having some soup, so I thought it'd be nice to have crackers with our soup. We have Larabars, a good amount of them because we're gonna be doing some hiking. So we'll throw a few of these in our bag if we need them. Then we have some pistachios because those are delicious, high in protein and fun. And then we have some hot cocoa, so that'll be nice. I also brought some tea, so we can have that if we want it. And like I said, I have the coffee. For breakfast, we got Kodiak Power Cakes, Flapjack, and Waffle Mix. This is the dark chocolate. And then we have the oatmeal from Kodiak also, Peak Oatmeal, 20 grams of protein. This is the maple and brown sugar. And then I also got some peanut butter. We can have this with our apples. We can put it on our oatmeal or on our pancakes. Got syrup for our pancakes. And then here are the tortillas we got. We can have these for breakfast tortillas or for lunches. And then for dinners, we have the steak. And then I also got chicken noodle soup. We got some baked beans with bacon, some baked beans with beef and barbecue. And then I got some couscous. This is actually 8 grams of protein per serving as packaged. So that's pretty cool. And then we've got the Classico roasted garlic Alfredo sauce to go with our tortellini. I got this chunk chicken to go with the 2 soups that I got, the rice, the wild rice, and then the chicken noodle soup, just to add extra chicken because they tend to not have a lot of chicken in there. And then I also got some bacon bits. We can put this with our beans. I think we had some other ideas for it. I can't remember. Oh, and our breakfast burritos also. And then a USB-C to USB-A because we need one of those. Some quart-size freezer bags, toilet paper, trash bags. We all know I'm gonna need some of this while camping. Dry shampoo and toothpaste. And then we got a bunch of water because we needed water. So guess in the comments how much we spent on this haul. Wasn't cheap.